Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. You are watching Safia News Network. It's 9 p.m. bulletin. In much protesting, people's demands to Imran Khan come to them accept their demands. Government accept their demands. 7 out of 8. Imran Khan gives permissions. PDM to protest in front of Election Commission. He advised to remove the barriers from there. The prices of sugars again towards across the century. Imran Khan advised to give relief to people in rising inflation. Shah Mahmood Qureshi offers their opponents to support them in Kashmir issue. PDM announced rallies on Self-Determination Day. They said we always are standing in Kashmiri people. Saudi Arabia and Qatar maintain their relationships after 3 years. They open their boundaries and develop their embassies in each other country. England and Scotland has locked down due to pandemic situations of coronavirus. In California, 4,000 people were died in 14 days. 59 patients were died with COVID in Pakistan. Government give relief on the subsidy of coronavirus vaccine. In United Nations, a bill introduced to end non-aligned status of Pakistan. This bill was presented from Republican member of Congress. The clouds of defeat began to rise and over Pakistani cricket team. Afghan government and Taliban dialogue is going on in Qatar. Now about weather. Snow falling is going on in northern areas. Rains intermittent continued in some places of Punjab.